Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken salad sandwich, no gadget needed. This easy recipe starts off with a store-bought rotisserie chicken. You'll also need some pecans, red grapes, celery, diced apple, and diced red onion. First, I started off by dicing 1½ stalks of celery. Next, I diced about 1½ apples. Up next, I quartered some grapes. And then I diced half of a red onion. Once everything was diced, I transferred all of the ingredients to a large bowl. Now it's time to tackle the rotisserie chicken. So here I'm starting off with the breast, and I'm just cutting it away and then removing the skin and dicing it up. And then from there I moved on to the thighs and legs. Hey, who remembers my air fryer Cajun chicken salad recipe? If you missed that video, I'll link that down below and up above. Once the chicken was diced up, I added it to the bowl with the other ingredients. Here I'm adding in some freshly ground black pepper, some kosher salt, about 3 tablespoons of mayo, and 2 tablespoons of peach mango chutney. Now it's time to stir everything together. I needed a little bit more mayo. Once all of your ingredients have been thoroughly mixed, just cover your bowl and place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And that's it, your chicken salad is ready to go. I serve my chicken salad on a hoagie roll with some mayo and shredded lettuce. Feel free to top it any way that you like. So did you like this video recipe? Well, if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hey, and leave me a comment and let me know what you're doing for the new year. And if you're here and you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know the next time that I upload. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.